Doc's bunkhouse. And they let dogs. Get down. So yeah, I just got her tied up to, you know, support beam, fire pit. We are in cabin 4. So this is what they look like here. You walk in, got a little mat, 1 bedroom. Futon, recliner. We have parking lots out there. We are way in the back, like that last truck. And then, huge bathroom. I'm pretty sure this was just a pole shed of some sort. Yeah. Lots of space. We got a full kitchen. So yeah, pretty sweet. Got cabin rules, and what did we pay? We paid 2 bedroom.
$125.
Right there. So Friday night, Saturday night, check out Sunday. Little table. We'll have to get some footage of us riding now. Well, I should have been recording this, but figured it's Friday night. Oh, you can't see a damn thing.
No, the steam's gone too now.
The old Can-Am Outlander. Oh, she's just steaming away.
Brand new. Pretty much right out of the box.
I had to hose the fuck out of the radiator. I mean, she is just cake. And for some reason, they have it slanted, you know, backwards. So it just catches everything that falls into it. And down. So yeah. Old Jeff got stuck here. Oh, that's a lot of steam. I'm just drying out the radiator right now, but yeah, he got her stuck. Filled up the radiator. Now she sits. So yeah, that's where we're at.
Fucking up the night ride.
Yeah, that was a sweet night ride we had. We made it all of fucking...
We'll get there yet.
Well, I made it like a mile, and then Jeff calls me, so I turn around, drove fucking 15 minutes before I found him. I'm overheating. Well, Polaris didn't overheat, but... Anyways, tomorrow I'll have the cameras on so you can actually see the whole ride, and then whatever dumb shit we do. Tonight would have been great. He got stuck in a big hole. Then to get out, he takes his winch, wraps around a sapling in the woods, and that didn't work. So then he winched to my receiver hitch, and that's how he pulled himself out. So yeah, I wish I recorded it. Fucking it. It just never works out. Yeah. And then I don't know, maybe go out for a ride that stops overheating, and then maybe just go to the bar, I don't know. Then I got the spare filter here. Rewash the sleeve, but alrighty. Well, I'm just sitting here eating my dilly bites. Well, you know what? We're no temp gauge yet. Oh yeah, she overheats, so he takes a bottle, pokes a hole in it with a knife, goes, fills it up at a pond, comes over here, squirts it into the radiator, and hopefully that it cools down. Oh yeah, we're just right on the side and at an intersection. Oh yeah, life is great. It's just fantastic. And we got the old Polaris. No problems. Man.